Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thanks so much for joining me. You already know you're part of the Grateful Gang. And if you do get notifications, you're also part of the notification squad. But if you're noticing that you don't get notifications, don't forget to hit that notification bell. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. As well as if you're not a part of the Grateful Gang, I mean, why not? It's free 99. Hit that red subscribe button, you guys. All right, today we're doing our cash envelope stuffing. It is Sunday. I don't know when y'all gonna see this, but I need myself ready for the next 2 weeks. This is real life budgeting right here. This look crazy, okay? And then here is what we're transitioning in. I'm sure you've seen the video by now of the new cash envelopes that I won from in a giveaway from Miss Kelly Budgets. So I'm gonna start using them this week. So this though is what the inside of my thing looks like. So since we're looking real cray, keep going with it. I just went and got the money to stuff the envelope with. We couldn't even put it in my girl where the money resides. We didn't even get a chance. I'm gonna have to find a way to get some of these over here. I really like them. Well, we have all these receipts back here. They still need to be scanned, but I have Fetch, you guys, and I'm almost at 60,000 points. I have Fetch, and when I scan too many, I have to wait. So I'm on my waiting period right now. And so that's why I can't. So I bought something, and that's why I just bought something. Oh, I got a coupon. Don't lose access to sale price unlimited. Okay, whatever. And this was change. And this was 2 10s that I asked for change for a 20 because the machine I went to only had 20. So you guys, I have a Capital One bank, but they don't really have a lot of them down here in Atlanta or in Georgia where I live. So I go to the local ATM where it's free to get the money, but I only get 20s most of the time. And the one where I used to go that had 20s and 10s was out of order. So let's talk about it. Originally, I had $210 to stuff. And then I went out to eat with my sister and her husband, which was planned. And I ended up spending about $30-something. It's one of these receipts over here. We went to Alma's, okay, and the food was delicious. This is how much the bill actually was, but my portion was 35. So I don't even have my portion. My portion was $30-something. Yeah. So I took that out of my allowance money. So I deducted basically 40 because I still needed to cover my March Madness money. So I was like, I'll just leave that in there. So 120 minus 40 is what? I'm sorry, 120. 220, 210, excuse me, is what we started with. Then I subtracted 40 for eating out. So we had 170 left. Oh no. I think I only subtracted 30. So I ended up taking 180, which is wrong. I really should have just taken 170. Lord. Jesus. That's why the account looked weird. It'll all be fine, y'all. It'll all be fine. So I took 180 out when I really should have took 170. And then I bought some stuff out of the grocery. So let's just see what we have left, y'all. I actually have denominations. Who am I? Okay, so I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68. I have 168. Is that right? Yes, 168, and I had some change because I ended up spending like 11 bucks. All right, so let's go. Allowance. I subtracted 30, so we're going to give it 30. It really was not supposed to get 30. It was really supposed to get 20. So I'm going to have to check my account and make sure everything else is going to be okay. But let's just roll with this. It's been that kind of month for me. Everybody's having a great March, and my March is kind of wonky. I love these envelopes. So there's $30 going into allowance. For gas, I didn't touch any of my gas money. So gas gets $25 each week, and that's 50. So 20, 40, 50. I'm so glad I got those 2 10s because I would have not had no change. Okay. 15 gas. Groceries, that's the money I used out of. So Groceries was originally supposed to be getting $80, and I used, let's say, $12, so it's supposed to get 68. So 20, 40, 60, 5, 6, 7, 8. 20, 40, 60, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. So this has $68 left. And then we have self-care, which is same as toiletries. It's supposed to get 20. So everything worked out well. I do have another envelope that I added for my birthday because I do have a milestone birthday coming up, but this paycheck wasn't it. This was not the paycheck to be trying to, yeah, it wasn't going to happen. Maybe next paycheck. So maybe next check I can feel it. But yeah, also, I don't know about the Humble Home. The Humble Home didn't get anything this week because I didn't take any cash out last week because it was a short paycheck. And honestly, I think the Humble Home is also going to suffer this month because of the transition of jobs. But I promise we're going to get back on it. At least I pray we do. But that is it for my cash stuffing. Hope you enjoyed watching this cash stuffing video. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, or if I didn't explain anything correctly. Thank you again to Miss Callie Budget for these beautiful envelopes, and I think I might want to purchase a few more. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful, and I'm super duper grateful for you. Remember to have a wonderful, blessed day, and it's faith over fear this year. Actually, not just this year, but forever, forever, ever. Bye!